month, Kristen and I told you about the Emergency Homeowner Loan Assistance Program, which is targeting homeowners who have fallen behind on their mortgages because of job loss or for medical reasons. New Mexico is actually one of 27 states chosen to participate in this billion-dollar loan program, but the application deadline is coming soon, July 22nd. So here to help our viewers navigate through the application process are Aaron Horvath. Aaron, thank you so much for being with us all the way from New York City. And we also have Sherry. And Sherry, we appreciate you being with us as well today. Thank you both so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Aaron is president of homeownership.org, and Sherry Stewart is actually education manager for homeownership.org. So I just want to let everybody know your titles. And Aaron, millions of Americans are unemployed or they're underemployed. We know that. That's no secret. But what's happening is that they can't really cover their mortgages right now, and lenders aren't really being sympathetic about it. And so without solutions being available, can you talk about this Emergency Homeowner Loan Assistance Program and why it's so different from the others?
Yeah, you know, as you mentioned, there's a lot of folks out there in New Mexico, I'm sure, that are either suffering from a job loss or they're underemployed, which basically means that they're not making as much money as they used to. So this new program is a federal program, and it's designed to provide up to $50,000 in mortgage assistance. And really the way it works is it provides mortgage relief for up to 24 months. And hopefully this allows the family to focus on finding that right job and rebuilding that income, and then not having to worry about whether or not they're going to keep the house. So it's a new program, and we want to make sure that your viewers are aware of it.
Well, Sherry, let me ask you, what do applicants actually need to know about this application process, how they can get involved?
Well, it's an easy process, Nikki. They can go to the website at homeownership.org. It's a 13-question pre-application that they can fill out online. Very simple, takes 2 or 3 minutes of their time, or they can call the HOPE hotline if they choose. The great thing about the HOPE hotline is that it is operational 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and the caller will speak with a live person. So those are two very simple, streamlined ways that they can determine if they're eligible for this great program.
That's great. That's convenient for everybody as well, and it allows people to really take the time that they need. And I want to ask you, in addition to that, what also helps to determine their eligibility? How do they know, yeah, I can qualify for this? What are some of the things?
Yeah, the main criteria is either unemployed or the underemployed, and the definition of the underemployed is someone that's had reduced income of 15% or more. And so that's kind of the step one. Step two is it's important that the homeowner is still in the home. A lot of people over the last year decided to exit the home, and so obviously the HUD wants to make sure these people are still in the home and they want to keep the home. Again, there's other eligibility criteria, and we try to make it very simple at homeownership.org. It's 13 simple questions. Make sure that people get into this program before the deadline.
Would you say that you've seen with the applications that have been coming in, have you seen anything in particular that's helping people get a little bit of a step ahead, a little bit luckier than others?
Well, we just think the fact that we have this streamlined process that we're able to provide for homeowners, that will certainly be a help for them. They don't have to go all over the place. They can go to one-stop shop, homeownership.org, or again, call the hotline and get right through the process in time to meet the July 22nd deadline.
Great. Well, I really appreciate that you're doing this for everybody. I know a lot of people here in New Mexico are dealing with unemployment, and anything that can help, especially for the families who are losing their homes right now. Very important. So we really do appreciate everything that you're both doing. And once again, just because I know a lot of people are watching and they're trying to get their pens to jot down the information, can you remind us where they can get all that information?
Yeah, sure. It's homeownership.org is the website. And then the phone number is the HOPE hotline, which is a national hotline. It's 888-995-HOPE. And like you said, Nikki, for a lot of families out there, this is kind of the difference between whether or not they're going to be able to keep their home or not. And so we look forward to helping anybody out that's curious about it.
Right, and of course, with being one of the 27 chosen, we're very appreciative here in New Mexico that we're allowed to have this opportunity. So thank you both so much, Sherry and Aaron. We appreciate you being with us, and we hope to have a lot more people feeling more secure with their home life. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Nikki.
Thank you. And as I mentioned, the deadline to apply for the Emergency Homeowner Loan Assistance Program is actually July 22nd. It's just around the corner. Again, for more information, log on to one of these websites. And for the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, it's www.hud.gov. For Neighbor Works America, www.nw.org. Or if you feel that Aaron and Sherry can help you, you can go to www.homeownership.org. And I think that they certainly can. So thanks to both of them.